Hayi bafana, kade ngithola ama-inbox nani ama-DM ebuza ukuthi ithini iFIFA ngalesimo lesi. Lo mdlalo lihlabe licela ngayo yonke indlela. Babuza ukuthi ivumelekile yini ukuthi egroundini manje usebenzise izandla nezinyawo. Into mina iFIFA bafowethu ayinankinga kodwa ngokubheka isituation. Isection 13.4,7 iyasho ukuthi if is a game is a difficult, you are under pressure, you are able to use simultaneously both hands. But the direct proportional is so effective and efficient. Manje bafana lo mdlalo ngoba ihlabe icela ngayo yonke indlela angeke umsole ngoba kuyabheda ngeke umsole. iFIFA iyamvumela section 13. Manje ke ngoba kuyafana nesandla naso sineyindaba zaso nje, sinezinto zaso nje eziningi. As long nje ithi iFIFA, as long as a health and hygiene, yabo, is a health and hygiene on the foot, is a qualified, no criminal offense. Is a wash, is a sula, yeah, make him dry, then is able to use because is under pressure. Straight, question clear out kanjani, Jovicho.